In this video, we are going to show you how to install Blogole 4K Ultra High Def Dashcam. Your front camera records at 4K resolution, 3840 by 1260 pixels, with a view angle of 150 degrees. 3.18 inch IPS touchscreen. On the side, we have your button for your toggle screen view. Short press to toggle between your screen views. Long press this button to restore to factory default settings. Short press this button to select different options. Long press this button to confirm your option selected. On the opposite side, we have your USB-C for your power supply and your reset button. We have your AV port, which connects to your rear camera, and we have your included 64 gig memory card. The memory card slot supports up to 256 gigs. And we have your 3M adhesive, which mounts to your windshield with the front camera adjustable. Has a built-in Wi-Fi for easy connection to your iOS or Android device. The Dashcam app is very convenient to preview, play, and download your videos to your smartphone. Your rear camera records at 1920 by 1080 with a wide angle view of 150 degrees. Your GPS module, which accurately records your location and speed with a timestamp embedded in your recordings. Your USB-C 12 volt power supply, which connects to your cigarette plug. And this is where your GPS module connects to. It does have a built-in super capacitor, which keeps your dashcam safe from extreme weather. Included is 2 windshield stickers, an extra 3M adhesive, your trim pry tool, and some cable management clips with your user manual. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. To install, we simply peel off the 3M adhesive covering and then mount it on your windshield. So there you have it, mounted onto your windshield. Next, we're going to go ahead and connect your 12 volt power supply and hide the wires under the headliner. This is your USB-C. We're going to go ahead and this is where you plug it in. Now we're going to go ahead and plug in the GPS module. So I went ahead and stuck the GPS module top right of my windshield. And here is your power supply, which splits into a Y. This here is your 12 volt power source. This here is where you plug your GPS. So I have the wiring tucked away on this pillar using the trim tool. I just shoved the wire in. And now we're going to go ahead and connect your rear camera. We're going to go ahead and run it along up here all the way to the back. Go ahead and just keep hiding your wire. All the way to the back. I've attached the camera to my rear panel here and ran the wire under the stripping under here all the way to the front. Now that we have everything connected, let's go ahead and start the vehicle. You can short press the top button to select your view. This is just your front camera, just your rear camera. You can turn the screen off and you can have your split view. We're gonna go ahead and go into settings. You want to hit the bottom button. Brings this up. Here's a quick mic on and off. This is your locked recordings, and we're gonna go ahead and go into the menu. Hit the side button, touch the menu. This is your DVR. It will take you back to your home. You can activate your parking mode. You must have a hardwire kit. This is where you can switch on your Wi-Fi. Right now we're turning it off. I'm going to click it again to turn it back on. You want to switch this on if you want to connect to your app. This here is your file browser. You can watch your normal recordings. Your locked file and the photos that were taken. You can format your SD card. This is where you will scan to download your app. There's a QR code where you can scan. This is your SSID with your password of 1234567 and your product info. We're gonna go ahead and go into settings. Here you can switch your resolution. You can record at 4K, 2K, and at 1080p. We have loop recording. You can record in 1 minute, 2 minutes, or 3 minutes. When the memory card is full, the new files will cover the old ones if loop recording is on. Here we have sound. If turned on, the dashcam will record sound while recording. Here we have your G sensor. When the sensitivity mode is turned on, if an impact or sudden braking is detected, it will automatically start recording and save the content. The videos will be locked and will never be overwritten. You can select different languages. We're gonna go ahead and set ours to English. You have your screensaver within 1 minute, 3 minutes, or you can just turn that off. This is your date, time. This is your volume control. We have it set to midpoint. You have your click tone. You can turn that on and off. You have time format. You can choose between 12-hour or 24-hour format. You can select your time zone. Your GPS info shows you how many satellites you're connected to. Your speed unit, you can choose whether miles per hour or kilometers per hour. Your daylight savings time, you have the option to turn that on or off. And you can adjust your frequency depending on which region you're in. In the US, we use 60 Hertz. You can change the orientation of your camera. You can either flip it or mirror it. It does have WDR, dynamic range technology, to balance bright and dark light. f1.8 aperture 6-layer optical lens, which can clearly capture details such as license plates in low light conditions at night. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.